Welcome to our Chigwindiri beginners lesson. Now, as usual, we do a recap of how the instrument looks like and how it's structured, the numbers and how to play it, each lesson that we do with our beginner class, just to make sure that everything is okay. So, to do a recap of our instrument, remember our instrument, we count the keys from left to right, that in a zigzag pattern. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So we've got 15 keys, and the right thumb covers this part, and the left thumb covers that part. I'm sure we all know this, right? So let's continue. Now, the song we're going to do today is called Chigwindiri, which is a traditional song from Zimbabwe. The description and the meaning of the song will be highlighted in the description section below. So let's get going. Our song starts with the keys 5 and 11, right? And then we go to 5 and 13, then we come back to 5 and 11, and then 3 and 11. It's simple. The same chords that we use on Jam Tingut are the same chords that we use on this one. The same chords that we use on Mam Dara are the same chords that we use on this one. The difference now is the rhythmic pattern, how the rhythms sound. That's what differentiates the songs, all right, which is what we're going to do right here. So this song, Chigwindiri, starts in F on 5 and 11, right here. Alright, so our rhythm is cha 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 cha. So we've got cha cha on 5 and 11, cha cha, right, and then we pause, cha 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 on 5 and 13, 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 5 11 on 5 and 11 1 2, and then 5 and 13 1 2 3. You come back to 5 and 11 1 2, and then you go to 3 and 11 1 2 3. So let's try this again one more time. 1 2 1 no 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. So once you get this rhythmic pattern, it will be easier for you to play the other steps that are coming. So the second and final step for a beginner lesson is splitting these chords, right? Ta 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 that's how you play it. Let's take it step by step. Da 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 da. Right, right, left, right. Da 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 da. And then da da da. Da 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 da. Alright. Da 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 da. Da da da. Right, right, left, right. Right, right, right. Right, right, left, right. Right, left, right. And then you come back here. Right, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, right, left, right. Right, left, right. One, da, 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 just like that. So that's how you split Chigwindiri for beginners. So I gave you 2 methods of playing. Right, that's one. That's 2. So there's going to be a description video of me playing the first method and then playing the second method at the same time, so that you hear how they sound together at the same time. But basically this is how you play Chigwindiri for beginners. See you in our intermediate class, where we're going to be adding more variations to this track and putting a little bit of flavor, so that we can add more and more players to the band. Right? All right, thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to add your suggestions or improvements to our page and so on. Thank you so much.
Chigwindiri wauya zinu risina hama.